said I'm too focused on it.
It's so bad right now, bro, on 270. Like, I'm trying.
Let's go, Jamie.
Bye.
I'm getting wet.
Literally pouring down, buddy.
It's really pouring down, man. I feel it pouring down.
Crazy. Happy 4th.
Let's go.
Look outside, bro.
Look at myself.
All right, well, go ahead.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Go ahead, then.
Let's go. We're going.
You want to go?
Yeah. Let's go, Jamie.
Bye.
Let's go to Gary's house right now. Come on, keep this going. Go to this door. Go keep this going.
Daddy, there I want you. Oh, goodness.
Oh, my God.
Oh, nah, Dolly.
Oh! How are you going to pick it up? Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
You scared?
I'm not going nowhere. What are you doing?
Wait, I got to record CJ.
Oh my God!
They burn out. They burn out. Nigga.
Where's the? I'm gonna get it off. I'm getting wet. Where's the stuff in it? I don't know. What the?
Move.
Open the door.
Yes! Get inside!
It's getting worse and worse. Wait.
Oh no!
My dog's cooked. I know. Hold on, hold this.
How you zoom in?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Hey, move. Hey, no.
Audie, watch out! Oh, your back! Your back! Oh, God. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Huh? Later. Oh, wait. Oh, DJ. Brother. All right, close the door.
How you think I feel?
Close the door.
I'm done. Who's calling me?
Oh, this is not. Who is that?
Holy crap. What's the move? Oh my God. Ooh, almost hit a rock. What's going on YouTube, bro? I swear, I feel like I always start off my vlogs in my whip. But you know, it is what it is, bro. This is the best way to start it off, in my opinion. You know, just because, you know, we on the move, bro. We never be able to, you know, to be at the crib and stuff sitting down. I got my little minion in the back. I don't even know how I'm trying to show y'all real quick. Say, what's up, bro? Yeah, it is, bro. It's 4th of July. Somebody's car is turned off. What the heck? Bro, it's so much craziness going on, bro. But it's 4th of July, bro. It's pouring down, raining. We got a car incident on the side. You ain't gonna be able to see all that. But, bro, this is like the first 4th of July that I can personally remember where it's like literally been like storming almost all day. I got soaking wet, you know. It's crazy, bro. It's a hell of a lot of stuff going on, bro. Even going into like yesterday and everything, it's preparing for, you know, 4th of July. My PC had recently broke or whatever. It's kind of a strange situation. You know, like when it's storming outside, they always tell you like, hey, make sure you unplug your computer, make sure, you know, all that stuff is off or whatever, which that's what I did. It was unplugged. Well, no, I'm sorry, it wasn't unplugged, it was just powered off on a power surge for 5 days straight. Then all of a sudden I powered the crib when I go off, and they did like a quick little two little quick flashes or whatever, and then it Yeah, I was hella confused, right? So the next day after all that had happened, it was actually really like 2 days afterwards, I went ahead and tried to get on my gaming PC, but whole time, bro, it don't even work. So, and I'm like, dang, like what is going on with it? Like, bruh, man. So anyway, I'm thinking that it's probably just like the power supply. So I went to Micro Center here, I bought me a new power supply, and that did not fix it either. Dang, did this tree fall? Holy. I don't know if that tree fell, and I hope y'all was able to see that. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so I bought me a new power supply and everything yesterday from Micro Center. I probably spent like 2 hours trying to, you know, get that fixed. And I was supposed to be vlogging that day, but I ain't gonna lie, your boy was actually upset. Not upset, but I was aggravated the entire day. So I wasn't gonna bring that type of energy to my YouTube channel or whatever. But anyway, so we went there, got the PSU, spent like an hour and a half trying to, well, basically repairing everything, because the current power supply I had in my machine, it was like a modular one, so you know I get to plug in the wires of what I need. But the new one I had bought, it was actually like a fixed cable one, so it was like I had to literally figure out like, dang, where does, you know, XYZ go type stuff. But whole time that didn't work, so I went over to my cousin's house. You know, he's heavy in gaming too, so I'm like, all right, bro, I said, let's go ahead and see, you know, if I'm just tripping, if I mess up everything. He like, nah, everything is plugged in properly, bro. So I'm like, all right, power supply don't work, nothing is working. And then we were trying to use on AI, trying to figure out like, how can we even tell if the power of something was working, bro. It's talking about, yeah, just take a screwdriver and touch on the power button. Huh? Who? Not us, bro. We was like, nah, we ain't doing all that, bro, because we just don't know. And also on top of that, I didn't have a proper screwdriver. Like I literally had like a full-on metal, damn, the house got on fire. Oh god, bro, it's crazy. But that shouldn't even be funny. But I literally didn't have like a screwdriver that actually had like the rubber on it. It was like a full-on metal screwdriver, you know, for the stuff that we use for our camera equipment and everything. Just like, you know, the little quick little tools or whatever. So like, I ain't finna do all that. So then I went ahead and said, screw, let's go ahead and go over to Micro Center. Told them same exact stuff. They had one of their techs come out there to come look at the power button. I was like, nah, it probably ain't that. So I'm like, bro, I know for a fact, bro, there's no way that my motherboard could be fried. Like how, bro? Like how does this power outage cause that? And we're reminding you guys, the computer was 100% off. It's been off for 5 days, so there's no power that's been on there. I know that there's power that still goes into the machine regardless if it's on or off. But dang, bro, like, bro, it legitimately ruined my whole entire plan. Like I only play one game on my gaming PC, and that's Ark Survival Ascended. And we had this new map come out today, you know, real Dinosaur Geek Squad stuff. Nah. But yeah, I was just playing that, and yeah, can't play it no more, bro. So I guess I'm ending up having to buy me a new Xbox, but they just went up on their prices and everything. It's a crazy world right now, bro. But this wild. But anyway, Micro Center got my computer right now. They told me it was 80 bucks to do it, the quick diagnostic. I'm like, all right, bro, whatever, what to do, go ahead and do it. And then now I won't get or hear anything back from them probably for like 3 or 4 days, which I'm like, that's cool, bro. Like I don't need it right now because I still got the Mac that I'm using for, like, you know, everything else. The gaming PC legitimately was just a gaming PC, literally. So yeah, bro, I hope that's all. Oh my, it's like, bro, it's so much stuff happening right now. We just got over this long stretch of a storm or whatever you want to call it. It's just raining crazy. Like even our basement done flooded a little bit, bro. It's crazy. But anyway, bro, it's 4th of July. I can keep rambling because I got some more stuff I want to tell y'all, bro, but I'm trying my best to stay focused, stay, you know, positive and everything, because, you know, car trouble's coming up. Man, I done paid $400 to get some new spark plugs. That ain't fixed everything I thought was going on with my car. It's like my car is losing power anytime I try to accelerate. And I'm just like, bro, I hope it ain't transmission. You feel me? Which, from what people were saying, it sound like it is. But I'm like, bro, I don't care. Y'all keep saying it sound like it. I need the proof. But then again, I work, my job is like 45 minutes away from my crib. So that's gonna be a doozy right there, bro. Trying to put my car in the shop and also trying to go to work daily 45 minutes away. So I'm end up having to talk to them to figure out if I can potentially do like some type of remote work or telework as they call it for at least 2 to 3 weeks, which I don't think that's gonna be possible, bro, especially when you work for, you know, people like who I work for and everything. So it's like, nah. But anyway, y'all, like I said, it's 4th of July, bro. We headed to my mom's crib real quick. We gotta go pick up some spaghetti and take it down to our one of my cousins. She's doing her annual 4th of July picnic for the family and everything. So we're gonna head down there in St. Charles. It's 3 o'clock. This started at 1 p.m. But this rain has pushed us all back. And yeah, so we're gonna head there, bro. But welcome to another vlog. And we still using the Canon C50, baby. I'm trying a bunch of new things with it, bro. I'm just trying to be versatile with the C50. Like I said, we got clientele work already on lock with the C50. Everybody loves how the quality is coming out from this camera. The color I'm doing is great as well, apparently. I don't care for the color too much, but you know, I'm trying, bro. But yeah, we're gonna pick it back up in a second, though. Oh yeah. Baked beans. More spaghetti. Hey. Nah. It's crazy, bro. Like, literally, I'm trying to figure out. I don't know if I'm focused right now, yeah. I think I am. I got this lens in manual mode real quick because, first and foremost, I just realized I had the camera set to the wrong settings. And I'm actually shooting with the raw Canon C50 audio right now. So, it should sound good. I don't know, bro. But we're finna pack this car up real quick and head out to this pool. Yeah, bro. Big C50, bro, it's hella dark. God, hold on. That ain't help.
You got some of these?
What are those?
Them Reebok.
God, what are these?
Them is Pumas. Then you got some other Pumas. Alright, look at your new shoes. Cause
I ain't get them.
I didn't buy you no shoes yet. And then you got these black ones. Oh, then you got the other new ones on.
Bro, what are these, bro? Those look like the Knicks 95s.
And you got some Pumas stuff.
Oh, you want to be a soccer player?
Yeah. You can't wear that. This for school.
Yo, it's like so freaking bad. Oh my gosh. It's so bad right now, bro, on 270. Like, I'm trying to get down to St. Charles. And it feels like the highway low-key is like somewhat flooding. But see, people are pulling over on the highway, bro. And I hate when people do this. Like, I get you can't see, but this right here is how accidents do occur. Bro, it's bad. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this is like bad. So I know for a fact the vlog is gonna end up being cut today. My bad, yeah. So what I was trying to say was, I know the vlog is gonna be cut early today. I can't see nothing, and I know that I just know for a fact I'm not going to be you know, outside with the C50, especially when it's raining like this, bro. I don't even know why I'm really truthfully heading out here. I should just go home, to be honest, but well, I got one of the bigger sides. Holy it's like I'm driving in a tornado right now, bro. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Oh, bro.